Hey, curious cubs, are you ready for something mind-blowing today? Today, we are starting a brand new journey. Class 8, Science. Chapter 2, The Invisible Living World Beyond Our Naked Eye. Just by hearing the name, you can already guess. This chapter is going to be mysterious, a little shocking, and super interesting. To make this chapter easy, we are dividing it into 6 episodes. Episode 1, What is the Invisible Living World? Episode 2, What are microorganisms? Episode 3, Types of microorganisms. Episode 4, Where do they live? Episode 5, Useful microorganisms. Episode 6, Harmful microorganisms. Step-by-step learning. No confusion. Full clarity. Now, think about this. Look at your hands. They look clean, right? But the truth is, right now, at this very moment, millions of tiny living things are present on your hands. Can this really be true? The invisible living world means a world of living things that we cannot see with our naked eyes. If we cannot see them, how do we know they exist? Answer: science. Scientists use special tools. One of these tools is called a microscope. It helps us see extremely tiny things that are invisible to our eyes. Have you ever seen a microscope? Comment, yes or no. These tiny living things are called microorganisms. Micro means small. Organism means living thing. So microorganisms are basically very tiny living organisms. Some examples are bacteria, viruses, and fungi. But hey, don't worry, we'll learn about them in detail in the upcoming episodes. Now here's the most shocking part. Where are microorganisms found? The answer is literally everywhere. In the air, in water, in soil, even on your body. Do you think microorganisms are around you right now? Well, yes. Some microorganisms are helpful, while some can make us sick. But how exactly does that happen? We'll explore that in the next episodes. Quick! Answer these. First, can microorganisms be seen with naked eyes? Second, what is a microscope used for? And third, where are microorganisms found? Write your answers in the comments and become a curious cub scientist. Ready for the next level? In the next episode, we'll dive into what microorganisms are in detail. And trust me, you'll be shocked. Remember this, shorts and reels drop daily at 5:05 p.m. Full videos come out daily at 7:02 p.m. Don't miss it. If you want to stand out in your class, if you want to truly understand science, stay connected with Curious Cub. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next episode.